Can an AI agent predict the future? Well, let's find out. In this video, we're putting Manus AI, an autonomous AI agent, to the test. We'll ask this powerful tool, which Zik Analytics received early access to analyze the entire web and reveal the hottest dropshipping niches for 2025, along with a sneak peek at what's expected to trend in 2026. And I'm sure the results might just surprise you. So let's jump right in. Now, before we start to test this revolutionary AI tool, let's break down how Manus AI works and why it's about to change the dropshipping world forever. Unlike traditional chatbots like ChatGPT or Deepseek, which work on a question-answer method, Manus AI operates independently, executing complex tasks from start to finish without constant human input. You can give it a task and it will plan everything from start to finish, assigning different AI agents to handle each part. For example, one agent might break down the request into subtasks. Another will search the web for the most accurate data, and another will write code to visualize that data on a website, and so on. It's like building a team of experts, except they're all AI and they deliver results in the form of clear, actionable processes you can apply to your dropshipping business. In this video, I'm going to ask Manus AI, an autonomous AI agent, to perform a deep web search and analyze the top dropshipping niches for 2025. But I won't stop there. I'll ask it to identify niches with strong potential to remain successful into 2026. The goal here is to build a long-term dropshipping business model, selling products from niches likely to stay in demand for at least 2 years. Since this AI agent operates like a real e-commerce expert, I'll be asking it to deliver the results in a custom user-friendly website built by AI itself. I'm treating this AI tool like an employee in my dropshipping business, and I expect the same quality of output I'd get from hiring a professional e-commerce strategist. By the way, as of today, there are over 2 million people on the waiting list for this tool. And Zik Analytics is one of the first, if not the first, e-commerce platforms to get early access. I'm excited to share these early results, which represent the first steps of what could be the next big revolution in e-commerce. So let's open the Manus AI website and give it the task. I drafted this command to the task. Hello, Manus AI. I'm a dropshipper and planning to use Shopify as my selling platform. I want to create a store that focuses on profitable niches in 2025, but also has high potential to stay in demand and trending in 2026. I want you to do a deep and thorough analysis across the web and other resources you have access to in order to identify the top 5 dropshipping niches for both 2025 and 2026. Then, I want you to present all the data in a user-friendly website that you will create. The goal is to visualize all the insights clearly, making it easy to explore and understand the opportunities in each niche. Okay, so one of the coolest parts about this tool, besides the fact that it operates as an autonomous AI agent and handles the entire task for you, it is that I can actually see what it's working on in real time using the Manus computer interface. Also, another thing I like is that I'm able to follow the process step by step. In this example, the task I gave was broken down into 6 different AI agents, each responsible for a specific part of the workflow. Research current dropshipping trends for 2025, research projected market trends for 2026, analyze and identify the top 5 dropshipping niches, gather comprehensive data for each identified niche, design and develop a website, deploy the website, and present the findings to the user. So right now I can see that it started the niche and trend analysis phase. It's scanning multiple websites and articles, and from what I can tell, the tool has started gathering key information for the analysis stage. And after 25 minutes, the research phase is complete and moves on to analyzing and identifying the top 5 dropshipping niches. A bit later, once all the necessary data has been collected and analyzed, I see that Manus AI is now designing and developing a website, and then proceeding to deploy it and present the findings. About 15 more minutes pass, and it looks like the job is complete. The results are ready in the form of a user-friendly, interactive website. All right, so are you ready to see the results and discover the top dropshipping niches for 2025 and 2026? Let's reveal the findings. First of all, wow, just look at that. I can see that we've got a full website built with all of the findings neatly laid out. Right off the bat, I noticed that Manus AI went even deeper than expected. It didn't just find the top niches, it actually analyzed the entire dropshipping market from 2023 to 2030. And based on the data, there's a clear pattern of sharp growth every single year. According to the analysis, the current dropshipping market size in 2025 is $476.1 billion, and it's projected to nearly triple by 2030. Now, looking at this section titled Niches at a Glance, it seems like the AI compiled a quick summary of its key findings. And here it is, the top 5 dropshipping niches for 2025 and 2026. Sustainable and eco-friendly products, print on demand and personalized products, health and wellness products, pet supplies and accessories, home decor and organization. Just from a first glance and speaking from my own experience in the field, these are absolutely solid picks. These are evergreen, high-demand niches that make a lot of sense for any dropshipper looking to build a profitable store. And what's really impressive is that for each niche, Manus AI also included market size, consumer premium, which shows how much buyers are willing to pay above market prices for premium versions, growth rate, profit margins, and even social media appeal. This is way more than just a list. It's a fully detailed, data-driven breakdown, and honestly, this kind of insight is exactly what most dropshippers need before choosing a niche. Next up, we've got the market size comparison, and from a first glance at these graphs, it's clear that sustainable products are packed with potential, at least according to Manus AI. And I have to say, now that I think about it, this totally makes sense. Sustainable products are actually a great niche for Shopify dropshipping. Here's why. If you already know, or even if you didn't, selling sustainable products on marketplaces like eBay and especially Amazon often requires special approvals. In many cases, Amazon sellers need to apply for specific permissions or certifications just to list eco-friendly or sustainable products. So as you can see, this creates a barrier to entry on large platforms and limits the number of sellers that can offer these products. That means fewer options for buyers on marketplaces, which opens up a big opportunity for independent online stores. So running your own Shopify store and focusing on sustainable products is actually a smart move. You're avoiding the intense competition on marketplaces while tapping into a niche with growing demand and limited supply. I don't know which AI agent picked up on that insight, but it's definitely a hit in the market. And it all adds up. Okay, next I see a feature breakdown for each individual niche, which is super helpful. Let's focus on sustainable and eco-friendly products for now. Now, let's take a closer look at what we've got here. First, I can see that the market is projected to reach over $1.5 trillion by 2025, which is amazing news if you're planning to build a long-term dropshipping business in this space. Then we have the sub-niches section, and I'm seeing this round graph layout, which is actually a brilliant way to visualize the broader opportunities within the niche. It gives you instant inspiration for what product categories might be promising over the next couple of years. And overall, the interface is amazing. Everything working perfectly. The layout is clean and the experience feels super intuitive. Okay, now let's move on to the top product section. And here's where things get really interesting. We're going to use Zik Analytics to verify each of the products suggested by Manus AI. This will give us a clear picture of which specific product types are actually performing well in other Shopify stores right now. This step will not only help us confirm which niches are currently working, but also allow us to pinpoint the exact winning products within those niches. With Zik Analytics, we can source the product, analyze its real-time sales data, and understand what's actually moving in the market. This is what I like to call a full power combo. Zik Analytics plus AI tools working together. One provides deep insights and predictions. The other validates it with performance data from real stores. So let's start the first product suggestion, reusable silicone food storage bags. I'll head over to Zik Analytics and open the Product Explorer to get a better read on this item. The Product Explorer shows us real-time data from Shopify stores so we can validate how well each product is actually selling. I'll take the original product titled reusable silicone food storage bags and simplify it to reusable for food storage bags for a broader search view. Once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and click search. From what I am seeing, this product might look promising, but the demand seems pretty weak. The top listings are only selling around 10 to 20 units over the past 30 days. So while the profit margin might be high, I personally wouldn't consider it a strong niche. Let's move on to the second product, bamboo toothbrushes. Again, I'll copy the keyword bamboo toothbrush, paste it into the Product Explorer, and hit search. Now, this one looks way more promising. I'm seeing strong performance across multiple Shopify stores, many listings showing between 80 to 110 sales in the past 30 days. From a quick scan, it looks like the best performing listings are selling bamboo toothbrushes in packs of 1, 2, and 3 without any added extras like a case. Just the simple bamboo toothbrush, which clearly works. To dive deeper and see how these stores are marketing the product, I will click on the spy icon, which gives me a full breakdown of the store that's selling it. Now, that includes their pricing, how they present the product, and even how they drive traffic. Now for sourcing, I'll click on the item finder and I can already see that bamboo toothbrushes are being sold for under 50 cents per unit on AliExpress. That's a fantastic profit margin. Even if I only sell the product for $10 to $12, there's plenty of room to profit after all costs. So this product, definitely a solid suggestion from Manus AI. Okay, so before we dive into the rest of the product suggestions we got from Manus AI, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel because we're preparing even more use cases just like this that are guaranteed to keep you blown away. And if you want access to Zik Analytics and start finding and validating winning products yourself, you can subscribe for just $1 for the first week. It's the perfect way to test it out and take your dropshipping game to the next level. Okay, so after checking the other 3 product suggestions using Zik Analytics, here's what I found. Eco-friendly yoga mats. These are selling well across other dropshipping stores. There's clearly demand and the data supports it as a solid product to test. Solar-powered chargers. This one is also performing strongly. It shows consistent sales activity and definitely looks like a high potential product with growing interest. Reusable product bags. On the other hand, this product shows poor sales numbers. Based on what I saw, I would not consider it a valuable option for a dropshipping store right now. So out of the 5 product suggestions we reviewed, 3 are strong performers, while 2 showed weak demand. This clearly proves why verifying AI-generated suggestions with sales data using tools like Zik Analytics is such a powerful and necessary step. It helps you separate what appears to be trending in theory or what could be trending based on analysis from what's actually selling in real stores. And that's the kind of insight that gives you a real edge in dropshipping. Okay, so that is the end of our video. As you can see, we're witnessing what could be called the early steps of the e-commerce and dropshipping revolution. And it's clear that tools like Manus AI are going to play a big role in it. So it's better to start preparing now and learn what to ask from AI agents like Manus once access becomes available to the public. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, I'd really appreciate if you smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.